How to fix subtitles on Crunchyroll. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and search for Crunchyroll. Now make sure to update to the latest version and open up Settings application. Now go to Apps, tap on App Management. Now find Crunchyroll. Now tap on Crunchyroll, click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now restart the application. I hope this would fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a one question, what such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.